So even though we just talked about how this space has a lot of challenges in terms of storage, there's actually also a lot of potential for adding storage in here. The greatest potential probably comes from the refrigerator. Refrigerators, since they're magnetic, there are a lot of storage options for actually putting magnets on your refrigerator that hold herbs or utensils, that kind of thing. The top of the refrigerator, always good for storage. There are a couple of different options that I'll get into later to create storage using these shelf thingies. and then also probably the biggest thing that's working over here for me anyway is the window. So we've got a lot of light over here, and also this space. Even though it is a small space, I can choose what I put in there. So there are a lot of options of things that I can put in there.